Played on the offside, through the covers. And will get a single, so that means 2 runs more. Yes, there was Naveen near the covers. But even then, the single would be stolen in. It looks like a very strong and fit lad is Krishnamurthy. Also alongside with Santosh Kumar. Also very strong and physically very ably built, I should say. But he needs to stay there here for the Warriors. A single only. As I think Burma Gowda has come out to run there for Krishnamurthy. Now once again a brilliant ball from Akshay. He knew that Krishnamurthy was making room for himself. He followed him up and made sure he targeted his shoes so that Krishnamurthy does not get the option to free his arms. Good ball, very good ball. There's he swirling back in nicely. Outside off stump. A wide delivery being given in.
White ball.
Once again, Javregowda is questioning the umpire out there once again, but nothing there. Krishnamurthy has been struggling outside off as Akshay is keeping it very tight back live. Oh, right. That went off the shoes of Javregowda. Nothing there. And this was a previous occasion where Javregowda should have, brilliant work, but I should have just said, should have waited for 1 more second so that Krishnamurthy would have felt imbalanced. But very good glove work. Just hit the runner on that occasion. Unlucky. See Burma Gowda in the way. Couldn't move off. It was a good stroke there from Krishnamurthy. 3 overs gone, 24 for 2. The Warriors. As Ramchandra comes along for the Chalukyas, has been introduced into the attack for the 4th. Remember, it is the 16 over match. Dot ball outside off. Good start from Ramachandra Mayappa. As I said, it's a 16 over match, only 5 overs of the power play. Ball gone! The dreadful noise for any batter behind the stumps is the crackling of the wicket. And when this fiber ball hits the iron stumps, it's even more endangering. Santosh needs to walk back. Now watch this action here from Ramachandrappa. Slightly slingy action, and then beaten all ends up and goes and hits middle and leg stump. Chalukya once again strike. The Warriors now in deep trouble. They've lost their 3rd wicket. (24 for 3).
ಪ್ರಭು ಬಂದನ ಓಕೆ ರಾಮ 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 ಕಣ ನೀನು
First ball was a big question that was being asked. Yes, now he appeals, but hang on. Did the ball go outside the line of the wide indicator? Did Javregoda try and just make that quick glove work just to confuse the umpire out there? Did the ball go outside that wide indicator? Very interesting. Back live, we will show that. There. It was going outside the wide indicator. Barmagowda had to hurry. And we'll show that trick once again. There you see. It was definitely outside the wide indicator. And Javregoda was just trying to confuse the umpire and make his concentration go out for the appeal. Happens. All this is strategies. All these are skills. Fourth over, last ball. Only one run from Ramachandra Mayappa in this over. And one run will it be. Amazing over. Just one run and a wicket from Ramachandra Mayappa in this over. 25. 3 ವಿಕೆಟ್ಗಳ ನಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಡೆಯರ್ಸ್ after 4 overs. Let's look at the 3 wickets that's fallen back to back. First was Bharama Gowda. First ball that he was facing in, and he was stumped by Javregoda. That's in the first over. And second one, of course, the run out of Abhi. Brilliant throw there from Hussain from the deep point region. And Javregoda once again having that quick glove work. Brilliant. And the third one, of course, was Santosh. Was being bowled in this over. Back live, we will come in and show Santosh's wicket. Good start. Very good start here. Let's look at Santosh's wicket. As there you go. Quick and strong it was from Ramachandra to dismiss Santosh. Huge appeal, but was it going down the leg side? I guess it was. Prabhu Halial completely under pressure now. Chalukyas, they want to wrap things up. They're playing with a lot of determination, and they're keeping the Warriors under check. Oh, slightly outside the line of leg stump. Brilliant ball from Ranga, I should say, in this Q2 Karnataka Men's T20 Cricket Tournament for the blind. No ball. Yeah, extra aggression, extra bounce over the center line. All the teams have been named with the Karnataka ruled dynasties. That's really good from the think tank of Cricket Association for the Blind in India, as wanted to have these names. The Hoysalas, the Kadambas, they played the first match. Kadambas won that comfortably. Big shot straight towards that deep square leg region. On Odala Odu, that means that's a nice one, as Hussain will not run, so you go for the second run. And ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ಓಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಆಚೆಯಿಂದ ತಂಡದವರು. ಒಡೆಯರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ರನ್ಗಳು ಈಗ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಇದು ಪವರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯ ಕಡೆ ಓವರ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಈ ಓವರ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಭು ಹಳಿಯಾಳ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಕೃಷ್ಣಮೂರ್ತಿ has played well as the B1 batter. He's there, 10 balls 10 runs. Down the leg side, inside the wide line. Yeah, sorry Prabhu, it was the indicator there inside the wide line, the blue line indicator. Yeah, there you go, that is the indication. Even on the off and on the on side, the blue line is a big indication. It was well within that line. No ball. Good booming drive through the extra cover that goes, and they will definitely come back for a second run. Comfortably taken in. No ball. and a couple of more runs here for Prabhu Halyal. I think Warriors now need to get their eye in. They're thinking cap on for sure, because it's a relentless attack that's happening here from Chalukyas. And remember, no B1 bowler red. 6 overs of B1 has to be bowled in the 16 over format. Last ball, in fact, another ball after this. Oh, good stop. Yeah, Abhi it was running for Krishnamurthy. Has to now depart. In fact, Nagraj there will be going back, as Abhi on the occasion could not make it.
New batter allocated.
14 overs gone, 142 for 8. Panchakshari comes in, but he will not be on strike. Panchakshari Belagal, but Basuraj Huded will be on strike as well. Outside edge goes towards that deep third region. Single only. Basa power to goal. And the next over also will be a B1 bowler. 143, so that means they are comfortably cruising along, the Warriors, after the initial few difficult overs. ಆ ಒಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಇಂದ ತಮ್ಮಂತಾವೇ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಚೇತರಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ವಾರಿಯರ್ಸ್ 144 ರನ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೋರ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಈ ಒಂದು ವೈಡ್ನ ಸೇರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಸಪ್ಪ ವಡ್ಗೋಳ್ ಅವರ ಈ ಒಂದು ಓವರ್ನ ನಂತರ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಓವರು ಕೂಡ ಅಲ್ಲಿ B1 ಬೌಲರೇ ಹಾಕಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು. Oh, hang on. The LBW appeal was there, but Basuraj Vadgol could have gone ahead and probably asked Javregoda to catch the ball. Look at this. After the shoe, yeah, it had hit the bat. Catch attempt could have been even more better. Another wide delivery. Dot ball outside the off stump once again. It's thanks to everybody from the Q2 company's fraternity for making sure that this tournament got underway very, very successfully as well. Hit away towards back of point, single. Again to Panchakshari Belagal. Now Baswaraj.
Keeper. Nada. Bat.
Huge appeal, and I don't think so. And right, hang on. I think they've given the batter out bold. Basuraj Hurded has to walk back. Yeah, straight through. The stumps, of course, had that sound coming off that one. 9 down now. Last ball. Basappa Vadgol has picked up 2 wickets. And the last man to walk in for the Warriors is Ravi. Ravi walking in. Can Basappa Vadgol finish this one and try and escape the penalty? Because they are, I think, probably overshot here. The Chalukyas under the specified time limit. Bowls a wide ball down the leg side, wide delivery. Because they are a little over and overshot. They'll have to somehow get this back, as the shot was nicely played towards covers. Hussain gave the chase, nice throw, couple of runs, and with that 2 runs, 150 for the Warriors in 15 overs. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ತಮ್ಮನ್ನು ತಾವೇ ಚೇತರಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ವಾರಿಯರ್ಸ್ 150 ರನ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಮುಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 15 ಓವರಲ್ಲಿ. ಇನ್ನೂ 1 ಓವರ್ ಬಾಕಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಸಂದರ್ಭ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Another B1 bowler will have to come in and finish the innings as Mohan. I think Mohan will come in. Mohan, as I said, will be completing the innings. Can they pick up the wicket here and keep the penalty runs down for Chalukyas? Because they are definitely over, but it will depend on the officials to decide what the penalties should be or should not be. It starts off with the wide delivery again. ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು ಅದನ್ನ ಟೈಮೇ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಆ ಶಾಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪೂರ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ ಆಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ರಾಮಚಂದ್ರ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಓವರ್ನ ಕಡೆ ಬಾಲ್. Again, no timing because the ball was being bowled slow. Very good thinking. ಕೇವಲ 5 ರನ್ ಬಂತು ಅಭಿ ಅವರ ಈ ಓವರಲ್ಲಿ. 10 ಓವರ್ಗಳ ನಂತರ 87 for 3. 90 more needed of 36 deliveries. ಕಡೆ 6 ಓವರಲ್ಲಿ 90 ರನ್ಗಳ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾಲುಕ್ಯಾಸ್ಗೆ.
ಗಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹೊಡಿತು.
ಬಾಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ
ಸರಿ, ಇತ್ತು. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ,
ಹಂಗೆ ಸೀದಾ ಉಳಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ.
ಕೈ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಕೈ ತಿರ್ಗಿಸ್ಬೇಡ. ಓಕೆ, ಕೈ ತಿರ್ಗಿಸ್ಬೇಡ. ಕೀಪರ್ ಕೈ ಯಾರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಕಡೆ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಚ್. ಅಬಿ ಲೌನೆ ಲೇ. ಶಾಬಾಷ್ 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 ಲೇ. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ, ಹಂಗದೆ ಸರ್. ಹಾಂ, ಯಾರ್ ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಚೂರು. ಹಾಂ, एक मिनट. हाँ, कहीं नोड़ो. लेफ्ट के चूरो. हाँ, कड़े दे रे. कड़े बैठ. लेफ्ट. कीपर बती. लावले बॉय. शाबाश. ओवर.
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬಾಲ್ ಬಿಡಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದನೇ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ?
ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಮಾಡು.
5 overs, 55 runs. That's been conceded. Very good, actually, in terms of the context of the game. And in the previous over, last ball, Naveen once again was trying to do something that he did for Hussain. He was waiting to see where the batter will run. Rahim, what is he doing? Sitting up 20 feet above the ground. He's the man who's giving us the running between the wickets shot.
Sir, same goal. Ready, keeper? Yes. Yaar. To left again. Okay. Ready, back.
White ball outside the off stump, Krishnamurthy. The last over of the B1 bowlers. They'll have to finish well. 5 overs for 55. I think Abhi, the captain of the
Ready, back.
Warriors team, will take it hands down. Again, straight to Naveen at deep mid wicket. A very good fielder, I should say, Naveen.
ಕೈ ತೋರ್ಸು. ಅವ್ರು ನಿಲ್ಸ್ಕೊತಾರೆ, ಕೈ ತೋರ್ಸು ನೀನು. ವೇಟ್. ಸರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಬೇಗನಾ? ರೆಡಿ ಫೀಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್. ರೆಡಿ ಕೀಪರ್. ಯಾರ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ಗೆ. ರೆಡಿ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್.
White ball outside the off stump.
ಲೆಫ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬೇಡ.
Naveen, of course, the lad coming in from Shivamogga. Different districts of Karnataka. All the players getting this massive opportunity here in the Q2 Karnataka Men's T20 Cricket Series for the Blind 2025. Huge appeal has been given. Right, LBW. Javre Gowda says that it was the bat. The umpire has raised his finger, but it probably was not bat. It was not bad. He was kicking the ball. There you go. The bat was nowhere close to the legs. Now this angle will give us a clear picture. Where is the ball striking him? It was clearly on the shoes. It was so clear on the shoes. He was trying to play a Ronaldo kick, but with the bat in the hand, LBW given.
Okay.
99 for 4. The captain of the Chalukyas has been dismissed. Well, this is how the captain of the Chalukyas was dismissed. And there you see the shot was played early and the ball had hit the shoe later. And he was right in front of the stumps.
Ready, keeper.
Left-hander Basappa Vadugol, the B1 batter, has walked out
Ready, keeper.
to the centre. We'll show you the reactions.
Ready, bat.
Reverse. Generally, Basappa Vadugol plays right-handed, but he's today changed his mind and said, okay, I want to play left-handed. I've seen him play right-handed for Karnataka. He's predominantly a right-hand batter.
Okay. Switch it. Ready, keeper. Okay, ready, bat.
White ball outside the line of off stump. Now let's look at the reaction here. After being given LBW, look at the reaction here. He was appealing to the umpire saying it was bat.
Okay.
There was no review for the LBW, captain. Sorry, it was not bat. The umpire decision stays final. Down the leg side. I think it will be buys. Yeah, it is buys. It did not hit anything. With that single, 100 on the board for the Chalukyas. 101 for 4 in the 12th over.
Bega. Last. Ready, keeper. Ready, bat. Ready, bat. Ready, bat.
Straight towards Abhi at long on. That's all, only a single available. And the entire episode, we will show you what happened there when Javaregoda was batting. This is exactly that unfolded. There, he had kicked the ball in the legs and he was appealing to the umpire saying it was bat. Umpire gave it out. And we also have the confirmation as well from the side angle that it was not bat at all.
Ready, keeper. Okay.
Last ball of the B1 bowlers. They have done a commendable job for the Warriors. Single only. So 2 more runs added to the total. Basappa Vadugol will keep strike. 104 for 4 after 12 overs. ಇನ್ನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು 24 ಬಾಲಲ್ಲಿ 73 ರನ್ನು. Six overs, 63 runs. That has been considered here by the B1 bowlers, which is okay, which is good for the Warriors. We can hear some thundering on the effort with the clouds clashing on against each other. Or probably it's the bad roads outside this ground. Oh, direct hit! Forget all the bad road. It's a direct hit that's happened here. Well. And once again, I think it is Barmegowda with the throw. Oh, right. And what has happened here is Barmegowda, the bowler himself, has gone in and dismissed Ramchandrappa. And look at this, the running between the wickets, and Barmegowda does well. He had to just go to the nearer end, and yeah, that's it. All 3 stumps to aim at. Ramchandra being dismissed. Good hand, very good hand. Basappa what goal. Now changes to a right-hander. Run out, is it? Oh, and yes, it's another run out. 2 run outs in a row. And the first player in this tournament to be dismissed without facing a ball is Ramit. There, once again, it's Naveen with the throw. And there, Barmegoda completes it. And that's the Indian Express flight that's taking off. Air India Flight Express, that's going off nicely. Beautifully captured there by our lensman.
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋಗಿ ಸರ್
Fazil does really well. He's still thinking whether that goes to Mangaluru because he's from there. That flight doesn't go to Mangaluru. Fazil.
B2B3 clap. वापस है ना? B2B3 clap. B2B3 clap. Yeah.
Ball gone! Barmegoda is turning things around. It's the second wicket for him. Fabulous work because he dismissed one batter earlier, bowling straight through the stumps, and this time, once again, Barmegoda does it. And this is why I said I have played Barmegoda in this format. He's a very, very strong player. As a bowler, he bowls very quick and straight. The primary school teacher teaching some lessons to the batter to play straight down the ground, not with paddled shots. That's the celebration. Oh, there we go. Wonderful work there from Barmegoda. Of course, the Warriors team now completely dominating the proceedings. After Javregoda, I don't think so. Chalukyas have scored big.
ಸೇಮ್ ಬಾಲ್ ಬರಬೇಕು
ರೈಟ್ ಆರ್ಮ್ ಓವರ್ ದ ವಿಕೆಟ್
ರೆಡಿ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್
Yes. Keeper.
Played away towards square leg. Akshay, first ball. He played away. Single. Malatesh, another B1 batter, has walked out to the centre. Alongside with Javregoda, of course, running for him.
B3 ಬೌಲರ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆರ್ಮ್ ಓವರ್ ದ ವಿಕೆಟ್
ರೆಡಿ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್
Malatesh. Dot ball, first up. Down the wicket.
ರೆಡಿ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್
There, Santosh, he could have inflicted the stumping, but not to be. Barmegoda once again bowls a phenomenal over. Just 1 run from this Barmegoda over. And a wicket, of course, 2 run outs. 107 for 7 after 13. 70 run ಬೇಕು ಇನ್ನು 18 ಬಾಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಓವರ್ ಹಾಕಿದ Barmegoda?
ಫುಲ್ ಅದೆಯಲ್ಲ
ನಡೆ ಬಿಡ ನಡೆ ಬಿಡ ನಡೆ ಬಿಡ
Oh, he's played it behind Santosh. That ball is travelling. Naveen will put a lot of effort to stop it. Yes, well done, very well done. Because he had to come in from backward of square leg towards fine of the fine leg. I should say fine of the fine leg because it's behind the keeper. It was so fine. The umpire wants to just check if the run was completed at the batter end. And the third, Javregowda paused there. And yeah, a couple of runs for the taking. Wide ball outside off stump. But Prabhu Halyal has come into bowl as the B1 bowlers have completed their quota of overs. Santosh himself had to go because it was the keeper. The ball was played behind the point region. Couple of runs. Prabhu Halyal. Oh, the appeal. Yes, but the impact was outside off. Very nicely bowled. And now a good decision. Because look at this. Prabhu Halyal bowled that ball so correctly, but the impact was clearly outside off stump. Not out was the call. Akshay. Couple of more deliveries remain. And beats outside off. Strong message that has been going out here. No ball. Strong message from the Wadayars team, because they have been a very good, formidable side with the bat and the ball. And tomorrow, the Chalukyas will take on the Hoysalas. Of course, that's match number 3. Again, 2 losing sides. Wide delivery again. In fact, Hoysalas winning their match in the morning against the Kadambas. And Chalukyas will have a tough match tomorrow. And the Warriors will take on the Kadambas. Tomorrow's schedule as well. And they want to check the stumping now. Santosh. And they want to check if Malatesh was behind the crease or no. Santosh, of course, he just threw the ball to the stumps. That was nicely done from him as well. And now I think this will be a right angle to go for it. Oi! Did he come back? Santosh does well to flick the ball to the stumps instead of taking towards the stumps with the hand. But now he's flicked it. Oh, ho, ho. How does the third umpire want to decide this one? It's a tough call. Luckily, I am not the third umpire. It's the third umpire who's going to take the call. How is it going to be out or not out? Oh my God. Well. Very tough decision for a third umpire, but I think the decision has been made, and let's go to the ground as well. The decision will be going in from the walkie-talkies as well, and out it is. Yeah, wow, Santosh, what good presence of mind from him. Sharath, the B1 batter, has walked out at number 10. Oh, I think it's an LBW. Yes, it is an LBW. Gone. And another wicket goes down. Prabhu Halyal strikes. Sharath missed the ball completely. And once again, he was kicking the ball, trying to save his wicket. And there we go. And there you see, the ball had come in so late. He had played the shot and then kicked the ball away. And just a small little inquiry there from Halyal. 14 overs gone, 115 for 9. Last 2 overs remaining. Basuraj Uded will come in to bowl the 15th over. Bowl the ball down the leg side. Dot delivery. But what a clinical performance here. You never expected after the first over debacle that happened that the Warriors will come back so strongly in the match. ಮೊದಲ ಓವರಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದಂತ ಆಘಾತನ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ಚೇತರಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ವಾಪಸ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಾರಿಯರ್ಸ್. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮೊದಲ ಓವರಲ್ಲೇ 2 ದೊಡ್ಡ ವಿಕೆಟ್ ಬರ್ಮೇಗೌಡ ಹಾಗೂ ಅಭಿ ಇಬ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಔಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು. Huge appeal, that's close and has been given, that's it. It's all over as Basuraj Uded strikes, and it's a big victory here for the Warriors. It's a massive victory of 61 runs as the last wicket has been toppled upon. Massive victory, 59 runs. That's the official score, 59-run victory by the Warriors. And we will all see you in the post-match presentation very soon.